Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart HC connector. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be learning how to add an HC account within the OpenCart web store. So we'll go ahead and we'll see how after the installation of the extension, will the admin be able to add the HC seller account within the OpenCart web store. So for that, we'll just go ahead and we'll log into the admin backend panel and we'll see that how to add an HC account. So we'll just go to the admin backend panel for that. And after you've successfully installed this extension, you will be having the HC connector menu option on the left hand side. And under the HC connector, you'll be having two sub menu options. One is the account manager and the other one is the category mapping. So in this video tutorial, we'll be just learning about the account manager. So let's click on that. So in the very first place, you'll find this as empty if you're using this extension for the first time. And to add a new account, you just need to click on the Add HC Account button on the top right hand edge. Clicking that button would bring up the account details, wherein you need to enter the HC store name. So whenever you have created your own HC store on the HC marketplace, then you'll be having a HC store name. That store name has to be entered here so that we can fetch the details of that account and we can proceed further accordingly. So I'll just go ahead and I'll just type in my HC store name. So one more thing is that the shop name should be exactly the same as you have on the HC marketplace. So if there's any difference in the name, then the account details will not be saved. So let me show you that. So I've clicked on the save HC account and it says that the shop name is not valid. So I'll just type in the correct name and I'll save the HC seller account. So here you can see that I've already saved this HC account. Now I'll be able to, or the admin would be able to edit this HC account as well. Now after we have edited this account, we can see an Authenticate button is there so as to authenticate this account in the first place. So I'll just click on the Authenticate button so that the account is authenticated. So I'll just be headed back to the HC website where I'll have to log in with my seller credentials, and after that I'll have to provide, or I'll have to allow the access to my app that I've created on the HC. And after that, you'll see that the authentication has been successful, and now the admin can go ahead and can work on the rest of the parts that are there. For example, we have the import product to import the products. Map product section shows us the products that we have imported from HC into our OpenCart web store. Under the orders, we have all the orders that have been placed on HC, and export products to HC allows you to export products like multiple as well as single products using the HC ID. You'll be able to export your products from the OpenCart web store to the HC marketplace. So that was about adding a seller HC account within the OpenCart web store. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.